Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10, step by step. Let's get started right away. First, open your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code for Windows 10. From the search results, open the first website. This is the official VS Code website. Click on the button that says Download for Windows. A new page will open, and the setup file will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open the setup file. The setup window will open. Accept the agreement and continue through the setup screens. This is the location where VS Code will get installed. Keep the default installation location. VS Code takes around 500 megabytes of disk space. Click Next. Now, here, leave everything as it is and click Next. Check this option to create a desktop shortcut if you want. Leave all other settings as they are and continue. When installation is ready, start the installation and wait for it to finish. Once the setup is complete, close the installer. Now open Visual Studio Code. And that's it. It's working properly. Now, if you want to install Python, Java, or HTML on Visual Studio Code, then you can watch videos on my channel. Like the video if it helped you, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.